Today, I'll show you how to split screen on Windows 11 so you can use multiple apps at the same time and work faster. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. First method, the easiest one, using the Maximize button. Move your mouse to the top right corner of any window and hover over the Maximize button. Do not click, just hover. You will see a layout menu appear. These are called snap layouts. Pick the layout you want, 2 windows side by side, 3 columns, or 4 equal sections. Click the position where you want your current window. Now Windows will automatically show thumbnails of your other open apps. Just click one and it snaps into the remaining space. That is it. Your screen is now split. Second method, using keyboard shortcuts. This is much faster. Click the window you want to move. Press the Windows key and the left arrow key to snap it to the left. Press the Windows key and the right arrow key to snap it to the right. Press the Windows key and the up arrow key for the top half. Press the Windows key and the down arrow key for the bottom half. After snapping the first app, Windows again shows other open apps to fill the empty area. Click one to complete the split screen. Pro tip, press the arrow keys again to move the window into quarters of the screen. Third method, drag snapping. Grab the title bar of a window and drag it to the left edge, the right edge, or a corner. You will see a transparent outline. Release the mouse and it snaps into place. Then choose the second app for the remaining space. If snap layouts are not showing, the feature is probably disabled. Open Settings, then System, then Multitasking. Turn on Snap Windows. Also enable the option that shows snap layouts when hovering over the Maximize button. Now, the feature will work everywhere, and that is how you quickly split screen in Windows 11 using mouse, keyboard, or drag snapping.